Good morning, dear students. Well set for GSC studies. As you know, chapter 1 of ours is going on, and today I'm just going to take the last topic of our chapter, that is food chain. What is food chain? You can say a chain in which food is taken by one animal to another animal. That is called the food chain. Here, with the help of picture, I can explain you that this deer used to eat what? Grasses, and in turn this deer is used by this tiger. So the energy present in the grasses first of all come in the body of deer and then to the tiger. This whole process of who eats whom is known as food chain. This food chain is known as terrestrial food chain. As you know, terry means earth. So a food chain that occur on the earth is known as terrestrial food chain. Here grasses are taken by the primary consumers, and these primary consumers are eaten by the secondary consumers. In our nature, some aquatic chains are also, food chains are also formed. Here I put forward two examples before you. Algae, which is a green plant, a green aquatic plant, you can say. This is eaten by fish, and this fish is again eaten by a seal, and lastly this seal is eaten by the shark. So this is an aquatic food chain. Next example of food chain I wrote there is plankton, means an aquatic plant that is eaten by the snails. These snails are eaten by the tuna, a type of fish, and this fish, small fish, is eaten by the dolphin lastly. So from the above discussion you can conclude that every food chain starts with producer. See, the grasses producers, algae producers, plankton producers. Every food chain starts with producers and ends up in the carnivores there. This note, every food chain starts with an autotroph or a plant. And lastly, the definition of food chain: animals are eaten by other animals, which in turn are eaten by another animal. This whole process is known as food chain. Now come to the last topic, dear student. Nature tries to maintain a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. How a balance is maintained between the two gases? Here at page number 11 of your textbook, the diagram is given there. You can see there also, as well I made it here for you. As you know, because of the process of photosynthesis, you can say we will start from carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is taken by the plants to perform photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is taken out in the atmosphere. This oxygen is taken by whom? By the animals. During which process? Respiration. And when animals perform respiration, they given out which gas? Carbon dioxide. That again goes into the atmosphere. And carbon dioxide is also coming in the nature due to the burning or combustion of wood. So by the three processes, that is respiration, photosynthesis, and burning or combustion, nature maintain a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. In this way, you can say that Our environment is a very dynamic system. This is our duty to maintain it neat and clean, dear student. This is all about our first chapter, that is our environment. Today you are going to learn about all the keywords given at page number 11 and 12 of your textbook. Bye bye, dear students.